We're at the corner gas station, and we're playing claw machines and stuff. Alright, go. Gotta use the flippers. Right here, let me help you. Keep going. Oh. Hang on. Yeah, there you go. Alright, hold the camera while I try. Alright, here we go. On the way. This is my little brother. Alright. So they have this. There's one. Two. And there's three. Three gumballs. Here.
Orange. Nice.
Alright, now let's go to the claw machine.
I'm gonna try the ball here. And see if it's whatever try.
Alright. And here's the two claw machines. These are our favorite claw machines.
This is the easiest one to go for.
Alright, you going first?
Yeah.
Cool. Here you go. Oh, here, hold the camera. Alright, there we go. Alright, go for that orange duck right there. Do you see the one I'm talking about?
Yeah. Right by the chute.
Yeah, that orange duck.
No.
Over a little. Over towards that way. More. Alright, there. Go. See if we get first try, first win. Oh. Alright, you can get it now. You still got one play. You got more plays. You got as many as you want. Look how concentrated he is. Oh, he's going to end up with a werewolf duck. He got it.
Oh, hey, there's a ball in the chute.
Oh, that's the one I won last night. How funny. Guess I'll go for that orange one. My brother. Guess not. Can't believe I can't get anything right now. Alright. Drop it in there. I think I just made that thing a little bit more gettable. Alright. See this? This is our last try. Oh, seriously? Didn't go? I won this one last night. Alright, show them what you got.
I got a werewolf duck and I found the blue one in the shoe.
One that I won last night.
Yeah.
Alright, here I go. Just put this in the bag. Hold it up above your head. Alright, here I go. I'm going for... I'm going to win Gage and Orange Duck. Till you win though. Alright, here we go. Orange duck for my bro. It's probably going to be the name of this video. Orange duck for my bro. Let's see if we got it. Oh. Alright, so just play till you win. $1 per play. So I still got some more tries. You want to get on this side of me? First try, first win. None again. Alright, let's go again. Alright, let's do it. Gotta get it now. Duck ball for my bro. There we have it. We got it. There we go. Orange duck ball. Orange duck ball. Here you go, bro.
I want to try again.
Alright.
Final play of the game. Yep. Gumball machine.
Oh, there is one more. Got one.